Good morning, students. Today, our topic in GK is Proud Indians. My country, my people, my world. So far, our nation is concerned, and the people of our nation, not only our country, the people of our country, the people of my country are proud of them, but the people throughout the world are proud of Indians. Whether it is a field of sports, it is a field of science, or any other field. Everywhere, Indians are making their names and making their country proud, making their flag highest. Today, we'll be discussing some of the people from our country who have made us proud throughout world. This is Indian origin boy in United Kingdom became the youngest applicant in decade to achieve the highest score in Mensa IQ test, beating geniuses like Albert Einstein and Stephen Hawking. He scored maximum score of 162 to become a member of Mensa. His score is 2 points higher than Einstein and Hawking. He can solve Rubik's Cube in 100 seconds. He has been shortlisted for Child Genius 2018 show on Channel 4. His name is Mehul Garg. Next, you are aware about her. She is 35 years old, India's boxing legend who won gold medal at World Women's Boxing Championship held in New Delhi. It was her sixth medal in World Boxing Championship. With winning this medal, she has become the most successful boxer in the world boxing history with six gold medals. So, there is no need to introduce her. All of you are aware, but to complete my topic, she is Mary Kom. Third, President Ramnath Kovind awarded India's highest peacetime military decoration Ashok Chakra 31 posthumously to Indian Air Force IAF Gard Commando on 26 January 2018. He had laid down his life after gunning down two terrorists in Jammu and Kashmir. It is the third Ashok Chakra for the IAF and is first for ground combat. Before this, Indian Air Force has received two Ashok Chakra for their own uh, for the in the air services, but this is the first one, or we can say the third to Indian Air Force, which they have received for ground combat. So, our President Ramnath Kovind awarded him the highest peacetime military decoration, Ashok Chakra, posthumously. So he is Jyoti Prakash Nirala. Jyoti Prakash Nirala. This is the fourth, an important figure, very famous. She created history by becoming the first Indian woman pilot of Indian Air Force to complete a solo flight in a MiG-21 Bison fighter aircraft. She had achieved this feat by completing half an hour long solo flight in a Russian origin jet in the skies over Jamnagar Air Base, Gujarat. So she is the first woman pilot of Indian Air Force who has completed a solo flight in MiG-21 Bison fighter aircraft at Jamnagar Air Base, Gujarat. So she is Avani Chaturvedi. Avani Chaturvedi. Again, a famous figure, a political famous figure, worldwide known. He was a veteran political leader, prolific writer, and the former Prime Minister of India. He passed away in New Delhi. He was elected the Prime Minister thrice. Again, there is no need to introduce him. Is everyone knows him about his honesty, about his loyalty to the nation, and he is Atal Bihari Vajpayee, who had become three timers worked as the India's prime minister. Thank you and have a nice day.